Let's see how animation effects can help bring my photo gallery to life. To animate an object, select it, then open the Animations tab. Here, there are 4 types of animation effects: entrance, exit, emphasis and motion path. Entrance effects control how an object enters a slide. Some effects let you define the direction of the animation, while some effects don't. Similarly, exit effects control how an object exits the slide respectively. To change the effect duration, just drag the effect time bar along the timeline ruler. Or double-click the effect time bar, and then enter a new value. After animating one object, you can simply right-click it on the canvas, select Apply to All Object, Animation. So it will apply the same animation effects to all other objects of the same types, in the current project. Next, I will drag the objects in the timeline a bit, to make them appear and disappear at different times. Besides entrance and exit effects, you can emphasize objects already in the slide with emphasis effects. Or let objects move along a predetermined path or custom path. Then, edit it the way you want. Let's see what we got. That's it.